Hello everyone, I am Dr. Bhavani, consultant gynecologist at Sunshine Hospitals. I welcome you all to Sunshine Senora, a unit with all women for the care of women. You can approach us for anything like pre-pregnancy counseling to antenatal care, deliveries, child health and also mental health. We are a unit with all women consultants. Avail our services if required, and we wish you all the health.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Himabindu Annamraju. I'm a consultant obstetrician, gynecologist and laparoscopic surgeon at Sunshine Hospitals, Gachibowli. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about women's health. We all know that women form the backbone of any family in our society, whether it's in the role of a mother, a wife, a daughter, a sister or any other role. Women are very crucial in the running of any family, and they spend most of their time and energy looking after all the family members. Nowadays, most women are also working, and this means that they are now contributing to the running of the family, both for the house chores as well as outside. Whether it's for kids' schools, whether it's for cooking, whether it's economic contribution, women are very, very important in every family and in the society. As a result of this, many women now spend their energy looking after everyone else in the family and not themselves, and women's health is neglected. There are various problems that women these days face, such as irregular periods, PCOD, hormonal problems, perimenopausal issues, psychological issues, heavy menstrual bleeding, infertility, pregnancy-related and post-pregnancy issues. In order to look after these women, now we are launching Sunshine Senora. This is a woman-centered care concept which includes various specialties along with obstetricians and gynecologists. We also have general physicians, psychiatrists, nutritionists, pediatricians, rheumatologists and physiotherapists. Together we will all work towards contributing to the health of the woman. We are available in the Sunshine Gachibowli branch 24/7 with evening clinics and Sunday clinics as well. Whatever your age, whenever you feel you've been having these problems, it's never too late. Please do come and see us and we will be able to look after you.
Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Sahithya Bammidi, working as a full-time consultant in the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, Sunshine Hospitals, Gachibowli. As we all know, because of the long working hours, the lifestyle of the women became very unhealthy, and because of that, a lot of women are facing health issues like PCOS, thyroid problems, hormonal issues and also the infertility issues. So, we at Sunshine Senora offering you a one-stop women's health care with all the specialities included at not only in the morning hours, at the evening hours also from 5 to 8 p.m. You all can avail our services at Sunshine Hospitals Gachibowli even during the Sunday clinics also at your feasibility. So in Sunshine Hospitals Gachibowli, we team of women for women will be caring every health need of the women from childhood through adolescence, pregnancy, menopause and beyond. We at Sunshine Senora will be covering all the needs of the women's health care, including the hormonal problems, diet and weight management, breast problems, breast cancer related issues, cancer screening, menopausal health, hysteroscopic and laparoscopic surgeries, pregnancy related issues and also the painless delivery. We will be giving you the birth control advice and unwanted pregnancies and how to deal with it. We will be offering you all these services at Sunshine Hospitals as a one-stop clinic, and our services will be available 24/7 at your care at Sunshine Hospitals Gachibowli. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mansa Badweli. I am a senior consultant gynecologist at Sunshine Hospitals located in Gachibowli. Being in the middle of women care services, I am seeing 20th century women day in and day out. It amazes me to what limits they can push. They are juggling perfectly between work, between household, between taking care of children and elderly people at home. They're doing a brilliant job at all of this. But what tends to get forgotten and get neglected here is their own personal health. So in the middle of all of this, taking care of multiple things, they don't have the time to cater to their own nourishment. They don't have the time to cater to their own physical health. So due to all this, women are facing multiple issues which tend to come out on the longer term. They don't really present with symptoms earlier. They tend to present with symptoms later on in the form of either irregular periods, in the form of vitamin deficiencies, in the form of weight differences, either being too underweight or too overweight. Most of them are even suffering with thyroid disorders nowadays, and also being so occupied with multiple things like this, they are even prone to forgetting contraception, which is leading to unplanned pregnancies and decreased nourishment during pregnancies, especially for working women. All of this is causing a big toll on their personal health. So to cater to all of these things, Sunshine Hospital has launched Sunshine Senora. So this organization is catering only to women's health. This is a group of women's doctors catering to women of all ages, and this covers age groups of adolescents, that is teenage girls suffering with hormonal issues like PCOD, thyroid disorders, and the middle-aged women who are dealing with pregnancy troubles, having difficulty in conceiving and having high-risk pregnancies due to stress involved in their lives, and delivery problems. So labor analgesia services are being provided. So we have women doctors who are taking care of women of all age groups round the clock, 24/7, day in and day out. So we request all the women to have their general health screenings, to have their cancer screenings on time, which tend to get missed very often, and to have their menopausal health checkups too. So we request women of all age groups to cater to their health more than they are doing today. Thank you.
Sunshine, it's our sunshine.